She was a racing dog for 4 years. She ran about 75 races, raced both in Iowa and Florida, but she retired at 4 years old due to her age. I'm Ashley, and this is Cordelia's story for GeoBeats. I got her from the Northern Lights Greyhound Association in Minnesota. She only knew life in a kennel before I got her. It makes me so happy to see her running on her own these days because coming from the track, it's hard to imagine what they went through. She is like a big cat, that's 100%. She's a little chatterbox, like a cat purring. It's how she showed that emotion. We're really excited or happy. I don't know what her daily life was like in the kennel or how she felt when she was put into those races on the track. And so being able to see her zoom at her pace when she wants to is just the greatest blessing.
Go for a walk? Go for a walk?
She has been affectionate from the beginning. She loves getting pets. She loves getting her ears rubbed, her belly rubbed. She'll like lay on her back with her feet all in the air and so that you can rub her belly. She was 4 when I got her, so she had spent 4 years on the track, and I had her for 10 years now, so she's 14. To this day, she still does not like playing with toys. It is just something she never picked up, and she never figured out.
Good God.
I tried to play with her a few times, and I always introduced new toys to her in those first few years, and just nothing ever did.
You sure? Yeah? You wanna go?
Her face used to be very dark, but she has gotten really gray with age. She astounds me about how much energy she has at her age. I mean, even her vets, like, they're like, okay, you know, she's 12, 13, 14, she's gonna start slowing down, and she just hasn't shown those signs of slowing down yet, and she's just really enjoying her life still.